In this demonstration, we're going to show how to create a TIN, that is a triangulated irregular network, from features in ArcScene. And the features we're going to use are points, and each point has a depth of part of at a certain point along the lake. In the display area here right now, we have all the data points with the depths at those points for the lake. So to create the TIN, all we do is go to this 3D Analyst drop-down menu in ArcScene, go to Create and Modify TIN, and select Create TIN from Features. Alright, and then we choose the layer from which we want to create the TIN. In this case, we only have the one layer. And then we need the height source. And the height source in this case, in this data set, is the negative depth. And we're going to triangulate as mass points, and we're not going to bother with the tag value field. And then we need to select the folder which we want to output the TIN to. And where we want to put this is in this folder that I have for 3D Analyst. And we're going to name the TIN, we're going to call it bathymetric. TIN. And click Save. And now we'll click OK. And the TIN's been created for us. I'm going to turn off the data point theme here, and we can go in here, move that around. Actually, I'm going to click the tool over here, the navigate tool, and come in here, and I'm holding down the left mouse key and moving the mouse, and you can see I can orient this many different ways. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and change the colors that were used, or the symbology. And here is the elevation part that I want to make changes to. And these colors are kind of associated with mountainous regions or the land. You get all the way up to the ice caps here, and glaciers, and down to the nice green valleys. Well, in this case I got a lake. Usually we color our water blue, so I'm going to have the darker blue be the deeper depths, and I'm going to go OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this zoom in, zoom out tool here, and holding the right mouse key down and dragging either forward or backwards with the mouse, I can zoom in or zoom out on the ArcScene here. And now I'll go back to my navigate tool, and you can see there appears to be maybe a slight bit of elevation in there right now. We're going to go to the scene layers, and go under scene properties, and I'm going to ask it to set the vertical exaggeration to 10. And I'll hit OK. And now if we go in here, we can see that there's a little bit more relief. And we'll just zoom in a bit. And that's all there is to creating a tin.